Hey everyone, it's Kevin Jones with Life, Mind, and Money. Today we're going to be discussing, to some, consider the eighth wonder of the world. What is this, you ask? Well, this is something that can literally make you a millionaire, but it does take time and commitment. What is it, you ask? It is called compound interest. We're going to really take a deep dive into it today and see how it can really play into your finances, not only try to make you a millionaire, but also set you up for a wonderful retirement. So let's dive in. If you haven't already done so, please smash that like button as it helps the YouTube algorithm to show a ton. So let's get started. It was once said by the famous Albert Einstein that compound interest was literally the eighth wonder of the world. Quite amazing you can speak for somebody who has such intelligence and somebody who had such a grasp on numbers and concepts and science to really give it this accolade. That's quite a statement, knowing that sitting right here is the Pyramid of Giza, which we know is one of the seven wonders of the world. But in this case, based on Albert Einstein's theory, basically move over pyramids and bring on compound interest. The personal finance world can be confusing, but if you take money and place it in the right investments and with time, it is amazing what your money can do. Now, I look at personal finance and compound interest very similar to geology. Now, if we all go back to school, geology is the study of time and pressure. And when you put these two things together, you get some amazing precious gems and metals like gold and silver and diamonds, the things that we all love to wear on us and show the bling and also have value. Now, if we just remove pressure and we put in money, now when you've got time and money put together, that is what I give you is called compound interest. This is about taking any sums of money and letting it organically grow over time. That is compound interest. So let's walk through the mathematics about exactly how this works for you. So compound interest is really having your money grow, and then the next year having the original amount of money you had plus that growth grow again, and then have this process repeat itself year after year. As you can kind of see, it will grow very quickly, exponentially over time. So I'm going to give you a very simple example. We invest $1,000, as you see here, and at 10% interest. So after that first year, you'll now have $1,100 because you'll gain $100 from the original $1,000 at the 10%, and that'll give you $1,100 at the end of the year. So now let's go into year two. So instead of having $1,000, you now have $1,100. And that $1,100 will grow at 10%. As you can see now in year two, I'm going to grow by $110 versus the $100 I did in year one. So at the end of year two, you'll now have $1,210. As you can see, this will exponentially get larger and larger as the years go along. And that is why compound interest is such an amazing thing. It actually can work harder for you over time, and you literally don't have to do anything. It's all about making sure that you put your money in the right investments. So let's now expand on this example. I'm going to now take $1,000 as we did before, and I'm going to invest it into something that grows about 10% each year. I'm going to then have this sit in this investment for 30 years. And the end result of it is just over, as you can see on the screen, $17,000. $17,000 for something you didn't have to do. You just kept growing and growing over time. It's amazing how fast it will grow. Now, let's modify this example a little bit. We're going to take our $1,000 that we had originally, but in this example, we're going to add $100 each month to this investment. And over the next 30 years, you can see that the end result is very different from the first example. In this result, you have just over $225,000 at your discretion. That's a bit different from having the original $17,000 of just growing at 10% year over year, but there was no contribution made. Think about it, just $100 a month adding to that initial $1,000 investment over 30 years, and there's a difference of literally $208,000. Quite amazing, isn't it? So think about it. If you wanted to become a millionaire, it wouldn't take much It doesn't even really have to start with the initial investment. It's really about the contribution that you make year over year. If you're willing just to put a little bit of money, over time, that money will grow and grow very exponentially. While I've shown you all the math of this, do keep in mind that this requires patience. Building wealth takes time. It isn't a quick thing. So compound interest will work for you, but are you willing to put in the 30 years? Or if you're later in the game, are you willing to put in the 20 or 10 years that it take to get to $1 million or whatever amount that you're trying to achieve? Just realizing that your contribution rates are going to have to be higher year over year in order to reach that goal, depending on how much time you have left. So I preach patience. Building wealth takes time, and you got to be able to sit there and just keep at it, add over and over and over until you're willing to reach your goal. That's why for so many of you, if you are younger, invest early on. As you can see, time will be on your side and allow you to achieve your financial dreams than somebody who is later in the game who will actually need to contribute more money to it in order to achieve the same target. Now, as you saw in my examples, you might be squawking at the 10%. But if you were to invest in something as simple as an S&P 500 index fund, which is about as basic as it comes out there, which has a very low annual fee. From its inception in 1926, the S&P 500 has averaged an annual return of almost 10% year over year. So it's no joke that 10% is very achievable out in this marketplace year over year. And there's many other investments out there that can get you the same return as well. But if you're looking for sheer simplicity, the S&P 500 is really your best bet. Now you've seen the effects of compound interest, I don't want you to be intimidated by investing. Invest in simple things to get started. Like I said, the S&P 500, which is very accessible from almost any account out there. You want to be able to grow, and as you learn more about the marketplace, you'll be able to invest in other things that might actually achieve you more than 10%. So just keep in mind, use compound interest to your advantage. And start small and build up into things you're more comfortable with, because in the long term, it will end up making you a lot more money than you can ever have dreamed of. There are a variety of things you can take advantage of compound interest. Maybe your employer has a 403(b). These are simple retirement accounts that employers offer where you can invest money and then put it into things that you can understand, like an S&P 500, to allow compound interest to work for you. Maybe you can take advantage of a thrift savings account, or from a brokerage account. There's a variety of accounts out there, like an IRA or Roth IRA. These are many examples, but just make sure that you find one that works for you, whether it's an employer or an individual-based one, so you can start creating compound interest for your own good. The key, again, is starting early and getting on it. And also, if you're late to the game, there are ways for you still to achieve your dreams through compound interest, but it will take a larger contribution month over month to achieve that target. So in Life, Mind, and Money today, we focus on money. While most of personal finance is focused on the mental approach, as you can see from our examples today, compound interest is more of a math thing and really can work for you. Don't waste time getting started. I really appreciate you watching today. If you haven't already done so, please smash that like button as it helps us show a ton in the YouTube algorithm. Also, I'd love to hear from you, so please leave your comments below. And lastly, subscribe, as we certainly appreciate all your support. Thanks for watching today, and I'll catch you next time.